Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps, and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden, or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing, and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here, we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we are making corn on the cob in the Instant Pot, because boiling a giant pot of water for corn is just not the vibe when it's hot, you're busy, or you just want your food fast and easy. This method is quick, hands-off, and the corn comes out sweet, juicy, and totally perfect. Whether you're feeding the whole family or just cooking for yourself and want something that tastes like sunshine, this one's a win. You will need 4 ears of corn husked and cleaned, 1 cup water. Add to the Instant Pot. Pour 1 cup of water into the bottom of the pot. Place the trivet inside, prep your corn, husk your corn and remove all the silks. Break the ears in half if you need them to fit better in the Instant Pot. Place the trivet inside and lay the corn on top of it. You can stack them crisscross style if needed. Pressure cook. Close the lid and set the valve to sealing. Press pressure cook or manual and set the timer for 2 minutes on high pressure. If you are cooking more than 4 ears, set them in. The cooking time stays the same. Quick release. As soon as the timer beeps, carefully do a quick release by turning the valve to venting. Serve. Use tongs to remove the corn, it's hot. Slather on your vegan butter, sprinkle on some salt, and maybe give it a little extra something, like a squeeze of lime or sprinkle of chili powder. And that's it, corn on the cob made without turning on the stove or waiting forever for water to boil. Sweet, juicy, and ready in minutes. I love this for busy nights, barbecue sides, or honestly just as a snack straight off the cob. The full written instructions are down in the description if you want to try it yourself. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.